Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year questions. Okay, previous year economic questions. Okay, see this session is purely focused on how to crack the upcoming prelims exam. Okay, so how to find the key within the question. Okay, what are the elimination strategy we can follow. Okay, what are the basic needs. Okay, what are the basic logic you need to follow. Okay, all these things will be discussed in this session. Okay, so this session will purely helps you to crack the upcoming prelims exam. Okay, so let's start the discussion. Okay, so which of the following is issued by registered foreign portfolio investor FPI, okay, to oversized investors who want to be part of India's stock market without registering themselves directly. Okay, so this is the main thing you have to know. Okay, first of all, you have to know that here and there, okay, one or two questions are coming from the money market and the capital market. Okay, so in 2020 these questions are asked. Okay, in 2023 there are two questions from the money market and capital market. In 2022 also there is around 2 to 3 questions asked. Okay, so questions from the money market is and the capital market is it's on increasing. Okay, so you have to more focus on these topics. Okay, so maybe in the upcoming exam there will be 4 questions from the money market and the capital market. Okay, so you have to just give some extra care towards the money market and capital market topics. Okay, so it is more important. See, already, okay, in the previous discussion itself we also discussed about the credits of deposit. Okay, the credits of deposit, certificate of deposits. Okay, and then the commercial papers and the promissory notes and the participatory notes, all the things are discussed. Okay, so once again I am going to discuss it. Okay, first thing, certificate of deposit. COD. Okay, see, in a bank, okay, or a financial institution, okay, the depositor will deposit certain money. Okay, so the bank will treat that money as their asset. Okay, and they will lend it and they will make a profit. Okay, so this is the power for the bank or the financial institution. Okay, so the bank can show that they have certain certificate of deposit. Okay, so this much money I have around, consider it is the deposit, certificate of deposit is 100 crore, means the bank can say that I have 100 crores as a deposit, so please provide me some money. Okay, so they can borrow money from other financial institution by showing this certificate of deposit. Okay, so these are the instruments followed by the banks and the financial institution to borrow money. Okay, so please note that it is a money market instrument. Okay, and it is less than 365 days time period. Okay, so these are the things are mainly you know have to know that. Okay, so first thing is about the certificate of deposit. Next, commercial paper. See, the word itself have the meaning for it, commercial, which means the company or corporate will issue that. Okay, so the corporate will issue this commercial paper and they will borrow certain money. Okay, so this is called as commercial paper. Okay, again this is also a money market instrument. Okay, please note that. Next, promissory note. See, it is simple. Okay, you are borrowing a money from your friend or your relative. Okay, and you just providing a signature to it. Okay, I borrowed this much money. Okay, and I will return that money in this time period. Okay, and you promisingly saying that with your signature. Okay, so this is the simple thing. Okay, it is between the two party. One party is the lender, another party is the borrower, and the borrower will say that within this time period I will just provide you the principal and the interest money in this time period. Okay, I just promising on it. Okay, so this is all about called as promissory note. So again, this is also a money market instrument. Okay, so participatory note. Okay, this is the term. Okay, mainly comes under the FPI. Okay, so consider that in India, okay, there is a company called, consider it is a Jio. Okay, so Jio's shares are listed in the BSE and NSE. Okay, so some shares are buy by this foreign portfolio investors. Okay, so this foreign portfolio investors saying this, that Jio has the good future plans. Okay, and they will have the good growth. Okay, in future they will make lot of profit in that forecast. Okay, this certain FPI, okay, borrow this maximum shares. Okay, so they buy these shares. Okay, consider that this FPI is in USA. Okay, and they will provide the shares to foreign individuals, which means here it is US citizens. Okay, so they just buy the shares and they sell the shares to this foreign individual. Okay, so while they are selling, this is called as participatory notes. Okay, by that they will get a money and they will route it to buy the shares. Okay, so this is the method followed by the foreign portfolio investors. Okay, so the main thing about this foreign portfolio investment is, see, this foreign individual, okay, you can't track. See, there is certain institution called SEBI to control this share market field. Okay, so this share market field controller or a monitor can't monitor the foreign individual because he is indirectly providing his investment money into Jio, okay, into India, okay, through this foreign portfolio investors. Okay, so such a way his identity is hidden from the SEBI. Okay, so such a way most of the terror organism, okay, terror organizations, they just buy the shares through this participatory notes and they make lot of profit. Okay, by that profit they buy the gun and they will act against India. Okay, so such a things happened around in 2010. Okay, so for that there are many regulations also done towards this participatory notes. Okay, so these are the things you have to mainly know about. Okay, but mainly the thing is this participatory notice comes under the foreign portfolio investments. Okay, so it is an indirect way of investing into India by hiding your identity from this monitoring organization. Okay, so this is the main thing you have to know. Okay, so what is certificate of deposit we discussed. Okay, what is commercial paper, that is also we discussed. Okay, what is promissory notes, that also discussed. Okay, next what is the participatory note, that thing also we discussed. Okay, so main thing is it is hiding their identity. Okay, so the hiding this identity is the major issue. Okay, anyway we are making certain profit. Okay, because we are getting lot more investments. Okay, that will contribute to the growth of India. Okay, but the major negative is, what if this hidden individual being a terror people. Okay, terrorism or terrorist means what we do. Okay, so these are the major things, are the negative things about this participatory notes. Okay, thank you.